Welcome everyone, you are watching Code with Hafiz. In today's session we are going to cover what is Pandas. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's start. What is Pandas? Pandas is a Python library used for working with datasets. It has functions for analyzing, cleaning, exploring and manipulating data. So let's see the simplest definition of Pandas. As you see, what is Pandas? Pandas is a Python library used for working with datasets. If you're working with datasets, you must use Pandas. It has function for analyzing, cleaning, exploring and manipulating data. In Pandas, we have functions for cleaning, exploring, analyzing and manipulating data. The name Pandas has a reference to both panel data and Python data analysis and was created by West McNee in 2008. So why use Pandas? Why use Pandas? Pandas allow us to analyze big data and make conclusions based on statistical theories. Pandas can clean messy datasets and make them readable and relevant. Relevant data is very important in data science. If you want to become a data scientist, you must learn Pandas because for relevant data is very important in data science, as you see here. So if you want to become a data scientist, you must learn Pandas. Pandas you help for data manipulation, for cleaning and many more. So the Pandas is used. Pandas allow us to analyze big data and make conclusions based on statistical theories. Pandas can clean messy datasets and make them readable and relevant. So to read the data, the Pandas will be help you. The Pandas will help in any scenarios to handle the data. So this is very important if you want to become a data scientist. So don't take light. Pandas library is a Python library used for data manipulation, data cleaning and many more. So why use Pandas? You learn about this. So the next thing about what can Pandas do? So if you learn Pandas, so what you can do with the help of Pandas? What can Pandas do for your data? If you learn Pandas library, the Pandas give you answer about the data like, is there a correlation between two or more columns? What is average value? What is maximum value? And what is mean value? These all questions will handle with the help of Pandas. So Pandas are also able to delete rows that are not relevant or contains wrong values like empty or null values. So this is called cleaning the data. So here question arises, what is cleaning the data? What is the meaning of cleaning the data? To cleaning the data, if you handle the wrong values like null values, if you clean the missing values or null values from your data, if you handle the wrong values. So Pandas are also able to delete rows that are not relevant. If you delete the rows which are not relevant with your data and contains wrong values which you not need, empty or null values, so clean all these. So this will the step of cleaning the data. In cleaning the data, we have to cover null values, we have to handle null values, wrong values and not relevant rows to delete it. So if you handle the question like this, what is the maximum value in the dataset, what is the mean value in the dataset and what is the average value, is there a correlation between two or more columns? So these all things will handle just only with the help of Pandas. So that's why I am saying again and again, if you want to become a data scientist or if you want to become a data analyst and if you want to become a data engineer, so Pandas is for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. We will meet in next session. Thanks for watching.